After sitting for decades in a storage area, this tarnished 1904 church bell is in serious need of a cleanup. Over time, metal that is exposed to the atmosphere will build up a layer of dirt and debris known as a patina. This will need to be cleaned off before the bell's real surface can shine through. To restore the bell and its component parts, 3 processes will take place. First, the metal mounting hardware, clapper, and hammer will be cleaned and coated. Next, the wooden rope wheel will be restored, and a new, stronger skid will be constructed to replace the original one in order to support the bell's weight. Finally, the bell itself undergoes an extensive period of chemical cleaning and buffing. After a lot of elbow grease, the bell's original nickel plating is now visible. Looks better, doesn't it? With the restoration work finished, the bell is loaded up for transport. It will be installed outside the front doors of the Sacré-Cœur Retreat Center in Magnolia, Illinois. On site, the frame is assembled and then anchored into the ground. Next, the hardware was attached to the bell to make it operational. With the assistance of the staff from Wilson Lawn Service, the 1,200-pound bell was mounted into the frame. After a few final adjustments, the bell is good as new. Take a listen to how it sounds. Nice. To view other projects like this one, we invite you to visit our website at www.heritagerd.com or to give us a call at 309-637-5404.